Hello guys, today I want to show you my new tool. It's a 3D paint for easy paint 3D models. So using brush you can place a 3D model. So let's take a look how it works and how it easy can be. So I hold now right mouse button and I draw a arc. So as you see is a simple arc. Holding Alt on the keyboard, you can change your lighting. Let's go to that direction. Also, you can drag and drop your image like a PNG or a JPG texture. So I choose rocks. Okay. This is very dark scene, so you can increase lighting. And when you export this model, you should receive that color what you see. So let's try a export. I export here. Now we can also check this model, how it works. Okay. Now we'll go to the construct tree. I add 3D model and import that model. As you see, you have this model. Let's rotate here, and that's it. You can easily add your very different models. I hope you like this. Check this on my site here, 3D Paint. Bye bye.